Welcome to the new assessment management system. This is an interim system at the moment. We will be using eCampus, but your assessments will be done on a new system that you need to log in to. This is only interim, as I alluded to. You will be given full access, or the systems will be integrated by August. So you'll log on to eCampus and do your study as you normally would. This is what your screen may look like. You have your presentations or study guides to do. The only difference is here that you'll need to log on to the system here to gain access to your assessments. So this is what the screen will look like. You will be given on your email a generic password to use. So you log in this way. You will be asked to change your password when you get in. This is similar to eCampus. Your student ID is your username. Your password you can make the same as your one for eCampus, but this is only temporary to integrate the systems. So when you log on, you will see these are your assessments for each subjects here. You'll notice that you have a home page here. You have your student details and the current time and date. Notice that these assessments for these subjects are blanked out. The reason is that you need to complete the assessments for here. After that, you will be given access automatically to these assessments here. So these are your assessments, not your learning guides. Your learning guides are still in eCampus. So you do all your learning there, and then you come in here to do your to find out what your assessments are. So notice you have a new status. This is a very good system here. We've got a status here of your due dates first of all are shown, and your status. When you access means that I've accessed the unit already, but once it's sent to marking, then all that status will change. So let's go in and have a look at what assessments they are for this particular one. Notice that you have assessment events. In this case they're in out of order, but your first assessment will be here. If you click on here, you'll be able to view the assessment in Word format, so you will not be no need to use the Excel anymore. You'll be using the Word document. So once you open the Word document, and you can interact with that as you would for any Word document, and once you've completed that assessment, you will then save it on your computer. So as we open this, you'll see what I mean. So we open up the Word document to get access to it, which is here. So you'll then put in your name and your student ID and answer the questions in here, and for whatever assessments there are, then you save it on your computer. Once you've saved it on your computer, there will be a button in here probably early next week which will show you a save button. So for your first assessment, you would upload it here, and then you would press save, and then you'll be access to your next assessment event. So it's relatively straightforward, all going well. So we just put in here, there will be a save button here that you press save, and then you'll get access to your next assessment event. Once you've completed all your assessments, go to the submit page. That's when you've finished all of them, not just the first one. You'll be given this declaration, which is our standard plagiarism declaration and authenticity declaration, and then you press submit now, and then that will go to your assessor for marking all those assessments. So make sure you do those when you do them all, not just the one. Sorry, I'll press disagree there. So you agree, and away you go. So when you go home, back to your home page, once this is sent to the trainer, this status will be changed for you. So once you've completed the assessment, you will then get and submitted it, you will then get access to your next assessment, and then your assessor will mark it, and it'll come back here as not yet competent or competent, and your status will change, and you'll get an email alert. So this is a relatively new system. It should be relatively easy for you to use, but the main thing is, in summary, that you still use eCampus at this stage for your learning, and then we have a link for you now that will take you into this screen where you will get access to your assessment requirements for that subject, which will be this one, but this is the draft version at this stage. So if you've got any questions, email me direct at training@bitad.edu.au, or give me a call. I'll be happy to help you through it. But this system is going to be a lot more streamlined for you for your future study with us.